Before we begin, take a moment and look around you. The cities, the technology, the humans at the top of the world. Now ask yourself one question. What if none of this was supposed to exist? What if, millions of years ago, one single event never happened? What if the asteroid missed Earth, and the rulers of this planet never disappeared? No museums, no fossils, no history books. Only living, breathing giants walking the Earth. Tonight, we're not talking about science fiction. We're talking about a different version of reality. A world where humans were never meant to rule. A world where dinosaurs never went extinct. Let's imagine it together. Imagine waking up in a world where dinosaurs never disappeared. No asteroid, no mass extinction, no empty planet waiting for humans to rise. Instead, the Earth is still ruled by giants. Massive creatures roam the land. The ground shakes with every step. The sky is filled with winged predators. And survival is a daily challenge. So, what would our world really look like if dinosaurs never went extinct? Let's begin. If the asteroid never hit Earth 66 million years ago, dinosaurs would have continued evolving. They were not weak or failing creatures. They were successful, adaptable, and dominant. Over millions of years, they would have become even more specialized, smarter, faster, and more efficient hunters. The planet would look very different. Forests would be denser and constantly reshaped by enormous herbivores. Entire landscapes would change as giant dinosaurs moved in herds, crushing trees, carving paths, and reshaping ecosystems. Rivers might shift, mountainsides might erode faster, and nature would be far more violent and dynamic than it is today. Now, what about mammals? In our timeline, mammals rose after dinosaurs vanished. But in this world, mammals would likely remain small, nocturnal, and hidden. They would live underground, in trees, or in places dinosaurs couldn't easily reach. Evolution favors survival, not dominance, and mammals would adapt to avoid attention rather than attract it. Which brings us to the biggest question. Would humans ever exist? The honest answer is probably not. Human evolution required millions of years of opportunity space at the top of the food chain. Without dinosaurs disappearing, early primates would struggle to survive, let alone evolve intelligence, tools, or societies. If humans did appear, they would be very different from us today. They would be smaller, more hidden. Instead of building cities, they might build underground shelters. Instead of agriculture, they would rely on stealth, speed, and survival instincts. Fire would be dangerous. Light attracts predators. Noise would be deadly. Technology, if it developed at all, would focus on defense and detection, not comfort. Now imagine human civilization in this world. Cities would not be open and tall. No skyscrapers, no wide roads. Buildings would be reinforced, camouflaged, or hidden. Transportation would avoid open spaces. Nighttime would be safer than daytime. Every sound would matter. Every shadow would be watched. Air travel, nearly impossible. Satellites, maybe, but launching them would be risky. Global communication, limited. The world would not belong to humans. Dinosaurs would still sit at the top of the food chain, but dinosaurs wouldn't remain the same forever. Evolution never stops. Some dinosaurs might develop higher intelligence, social behavior, communication, tool use. Over millions of years, certain species could become surprisingly smart, perhaps not like humans, but intelligent enough to coordinate, plan, and dominate even more effectively. Imagine predators that hunt in complex formations, herbivores that protect their young with advanced strategies, flying dinosaurs that control the skies like living aircraft. The balance of power would be terrifying. And the climate, dinosaurs produced massive amounts of methane and carbon dioxide. With billions of giant creatures roaming the planet, Earth's atmosphere would likely be warmer. Ice ages might be weaker or never happen. Tropical environments could dominate much of the globe. Sea levels might be higher. Storms more powerful. Nature more extreme. Life would be raw, intense, and unforgiving. There would be no safe places. Now ask yourself this. Would this world be better or worse? Better for nature, perhaps. Worse for humans, definitely. There would be no smartphones, no modern medicine, no global peace or comfort. Survival would be the ultimate goal. Every generation would teach the next how to hide, to listen, how to survive one more day. And maybe that's the most important lesson. Our world exists the way it does not, because humans were destined to rule, but because chance removed the giants that stood before us. If dinosaurs never went extinct, humanity would not be kings of Earth. We would be guests, or prey, or never exist at all. So next time you see a dinosaur fossil in a museum, remember, that creature didn't just disappear. Its absence made us possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories.